Ever wonder what makes cocktails so special? Join us as we explore 30 classic and unforgettable creations. Margarita is a zesty and tangy classic, blending tequila, lime juice, and orange liqueur into a bright and balanced mix, served with a salt rim and lime wedge. Mojito is a minty and fresh Cuban refresher, muddling mint leaves, sugar, lime juice, white rum, and club soda into a cooling cocktail, garnished with a mint sprig and lime wedge. Old Fashioned is a rich and bittersweet favorite, stirred with rye whiskey or bourbon, simple syrup, and Angostura bitters for a deep sip, finished with an orange, twist, and cherry. The Cosmopolitan is a stylish and tangy pink drink, shaken with vodka, orange liqueur, lime juice, and cranberry juice for a crisp and modern cocktail, served with a lime twist. Piña Colada is a tropical and sweet escape, blending white rum, pineapple juice, and coconut cream into a creamy island treat, topped with a cherry and pineapple wedge. Dry Martini is a crisp and classic icon, combining gin or vodka with dry vermouth for a smooth and potent drink, served with an olive or lemon twist. Tequila Sunrise is a fruity and vibrant drink, layering tequila, orange juice, and grenadine for a glowing sunrise effect, finished with an orange wheel and cherry. Negroni is a bitter and aromatic Italian staple, mixing equal parts gin, sweet vermouth, and Campari for a bold, spirit-forward profile, garnished with an orange peel. Bloody Mary is a savory and spicy brunch favorite, shaken with vodka, lemon, and tomato juice, Worcestershire sauce, Tabasco, salt, and pepper, then topped with a celery stick and lemon wedge. Mai Tai is a tropical and rich tiki cocktail, combining white and dark rum with orange liqueur, lime juice, and almond syrup for a fruity punch, garnished with a lime wheel, mint sprig, and cherry. White Russian is a smooth and creamy indulgence, mixing vodka, coffee liqueur, and fresh cream into a rich, dessert-like drink, served with a cinnamon stick. Manhattan is a smooth and sophisticated classic, stirring rye whiskey, sweet vermouth, and Angostura bitters into a bold and balanced cocktail, finished with a cherry. Blue Lagoon is a bright and citrusy showstopper, mixing vodka, blue curacao, lemon juice, and simple syrup for a vivid, tangy drink, served with a lemon wheel and cherry. Cuba Libre is a sweet and citrusy highball cocktail, blending white rum, cola, and freshly squeezed lime juice into a smooth, effervescent drink, finished with a lime wedge. Gimlet is a sharp and refreshing classic, blending gin and freshly squeezed lime juice into a crisp, no-nonsense cocktail, served chilled with a fresh lime wheel. Bahama Mama is a fruity and rum-packed tropical mix, layering white, dark, and coconut rum with pineapple, orange, and lime juice, plus grenadine, topped with a cherry and pineapple wedge. Screwdriver is a citrusy and simple go-to, made with just vodka and orange juice for a bright, easy-drinking classic, typically garnished with an orange wheel. Gin and tonic is a crisp and refreshing staple, made with a mix of gin and tonic water plus a splash of lime juice, and typically served with a lime wedge. Daiquiri is a zesty and balanced Cuban classic, shaken with white rum, lime juice, and simple syrup into a clean and citrusy drink, finished with a lime wheel. Long Island iced tea is a powerful and citrusy blend, shaken with vodka, white rum, gin, tequila, triple sec, lemon juice, and cola into one bold cocktail, garnished with a lemon wedge. Kamikaze is a bold and citrusy shooter, combining vodka, orange liqueur, and lime juice for a sharp and tangy burst, served with a lime wedge or twist. Aperol Spritz is a bubbly and bittersweet aperitif, made with Prosecco, Aperol, and soda water for a light and refreshing sip, topped with a bright orange wheel. Alexandra is a creamy and cocoa-rich classic, shaken with brandy, cocoa liqueur, and heavy cream, into a smooth dessert-style drink, topped with grated nutmeg. Sex on the Beach is a sweet and fruity favorite, blending vodka, peach schnapps, orange juice, and cranberry juice for a tropical cocktail, garnished with an orange slice and cherry. Sea Breeze is a light and refreshing mix, combining vodka, grapefruit juice, and cranberry juice into a crisp, beachy drink, served over ice with a fresh lime wedge. Espresso Martini is a rich, coffee-fueled cocktail, shaken with vodka, coffee liqueur, and fresh espresso with a smooth, velvety finish, topped with coffee beans. Whiskey Sour is a tart and smooth classic, blending whiskey, lemon juice, and simple syrup with optional egg white, resulting in a citrusy sip, garnished with a lemon wheel and cherry. Moscow Mule is a spicy and refreshing drink, mixing vodka, ginger beer, and lime juice into a zesty mule served in a signature copper mug, garnished with a lime wedge and mint. Paloma is a bright and citrusy Mexican favorite, combining tequila, grapefruit soda, and lime juice into a refreshing cocktail, served with a salt rim and grapefruit wedge. Pisco Sour is an exotic and foamy South American cocktail, shaken with pisco, lime juice, simple syrup, and egg white into a tangy drink, topped with drops of bitters. As our cocktail journey comes to a close, I hope you found your next favorite creation. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, sip, shake, repeat.